Hello guys, good afternoon everyone and everybody. How are you today guys? Kumusta kayong lahat? Ito yung afternoon natin guys. Ayun, si Sis Joan nyo. Andito lang guys. Dito tayo today sa bahay. So, kumusta kayong lahat guys? Kumusta ang afternoon nyo? At kumusta ang araw nyo guys? Anong pinagbisihan? So, for today's video guys, andito na tayo sa bahay for the whole day and then full time tendera tayo today guys. So, habang relaxing time tayo guys, hindi naman tayo masyadong busy. Wala naman masyadong customer at this time guys. So, andito muna tayo. Napag-isip na naman si Sis Joan nyo. Si Inday Joan nyo, ayun. Kaya nga nakapag-video guys. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much and thank you for watching. Maraming salamat to all of you guys. Thank you to all your support. Follow for more, like and shares. Thank you so much. God bless to all and everyone.